On May 26, Madikizela delivered his budget and policy speech at the provincial legislature. He said 50 million of the 300 million will be used to renovate some of the hospitals.
The coronavirus pandemic has also necessitated that we do things differently and embrace, amongst others, digitalization. Honorable Chair of Chairs, the electoral mandate of the 6th ANC-led administration is unambiguous about the need to accelerate the provision of infrastructure in support of the transformation agenda to build an inclusive economy. For the 2020-2021 financial year, the department has been allocated a total of 2.6 billion to deliver on its mandate. Honorable Chair of Chairs, I wish to reaffirm the pronouncement by the Premier during the State of the Province address that the establishment of Provincial Infrastructure Management Office will be fully functional by beginning of June 2020 and is budgeted at 41,500,000. A further 22 million will be invested towards the Dr. Mxolisi Majongosi Bursary Fund. To this end, in the current financial year, we will be hosting the Eastern Cape Government Property Development and Investment Conference, which will serve as a catalyst for attracting investment to the province.